Welcome to this video on cybersecurity versus information security. Many people use these terms interchangeably, but they are not the same. In this presentation, we will clearly understand what each term means, how they differ, and how both work together to protect data and systems in today's digital world. Information security, also known as InfoSec, is the broader concept of protecting all types of information. This includes digital data, physical documents, and even intellectual property. The main goal of information security is to protect data using the three core principles known as the CIA triad: confidentiality, integrity, and availability. Information security is not limited to computers. It includes policies and procedures, physical security measures like locks and surveillance cameras, and administrative controls such as employee training and compliance programs. All of these work together to ensure that information remains safe in every possible form. Cybersecurity is a specialized part of information security that focuses only on protecting digital systems and online environments. It deals with defending computers, networks, and electronic devices from cyber threats such as malware, phishing, ransomware, and hacking attempts. Cybersecurity includes multiple protective measures. These include malware defense, ransomware prevention, phishing detection, and intrusion protection. The main focus of cybersecurity is to stop digital attacks and protect online data from unauthorized access or damage. Both information security and cybersecurity are built on the CIA triad. Confidentiality ensures that only authorized people can access data. Integrity ensures that data remains accurate and is not altered. Availability ensures that information is accessible whenever it is needed. These three principles form the foundation of all security practices. The key difference lies in scope. Information security covers all forms of data, both physical and digital. Cybersecurity focuses only on digital data and online systems. Information security handles risks like physical theft and human error, while cybersecurity focuses on cyber threats such as hacking and malware. A recent example is the 2025 ransomware attack on a major Indian telecom provider. Millions of customer records were compromised due to weak cybersecurity controls. This incident showed that strong cybersecurity must always be part of a larger information security strategy. Information security and cybersecurity are not competitors, they are partners. Information security defines the overall policies and rules, while cybersecurity implements those rules in digital environments. Together, they provide layered and comprehensive protection for organizations. Understanding the difference between these two fields helps organizations build better security strategies. It also helps professionals choose the right career path. Most importantly, it helps individuals protect their personal and professional data in a smarter way. To conclude, information security is the big umbrella that protects all forms of information, while cybersecurity focuses specifically on digital protection. Both are essential in today's connected world. The more we understand these concepts, the better we can stay safe and secure.